Hi, my name is Sean Seymour with Simpson Strong Tie, and I'd like to thank you for joining us. As you can see from our list of titles, we have many short videos available to help you stay fresh and on top of your game when selling and designing decks using our Deck Tools software. You can search for these titles by name on YouTube, or feel free to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button above. Let's go ahead and get started.
Change the decking angle. If the deck boards need to be placed at an angle, select Details Decking and then click Enter Angle. The decking angle is an amount that the deck boards are rotated, with 0 degrees being parallel to the Deck Tools toolbars. Deck Tools automatically rotates the joists and beams 90 degrees to support the decking that is rotated past 45 degrees. But you can customize the joist and beam angles to meet your preferences.
I appreciate your time and hope you found this video helpful. Remember, you can search for these videos by name on YouTube or subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button. We are also on Facebook if you'd like to stop by and take a look at our page. We understand that these videos cover some of the basics. If at any time you need additional training or support, please feel free to email us at support@decktools.com. My name is Sean Seymour with Simpson Strong Tie, and statistically there will be 3 million decks built in the United States in 2013. We look forward to hearing about your successes. Thank you.